Hi peeps. Sup. Okay, so by the way, this is my outfit. Things like that. It's not like I'm going to what do you want? I want to go to a internet cafe, printer a document iform okumele ngiyisayine so that the church organization can actually use my picture for the incentive that I actually got. Because so yeah, ngathi kunabantu abazayo and I don't like it. What the hell? But yeah, ngiyaphuma ke manje. I hope these people are coming in. Yeah, so and then on the other side, I'm also starting a UGC content creation. Your girl is trying everything. Why as people sizame size sifike reach the perfect time they're coming here. It's dry egazi ngoba abantu besonto labayana bebezile yo hayi. But abelinye isonto and mina ngisebenza because I'm not a rude person and I was willing to read, like as I told you guys, because I give people chances to prove themselves, but they can't convert me to another church. We can have a discussion, but me having to convert from LDS to Sabandi. When you open a perfume, a chip, when is someone posting this one? Let me see. Oh, Nayawa. How much is it? I want a cheap one. I don't have money. What? Saying it's 38 and then he said 40, now it's 45. See, you're not even sure. He said 38 and then he's saying 40, now it's 45.
You want the money?
Alright guys, I must need now. Bring my money, my friend.
He's a customer.
I'm gonna take it back. Guys, I'm 38. Bese bathi 40. Bese bathi 45. Ngiyahlanya mina ngisumtsipa nginayo imali. Yo. Hey, I'm here internet cafe khona manje. Sandu. Nyanya ngabe mangibulisa umuntu asithulela asisha ngathi sauce. Yo, package yami it is arriving and I'm here. What am I gonna do? My message. Yo. Damn. Okay. Singibone mangala. Anginayo idatha le. Guys, nginenkinga eningi nje. Ngithenge ama SMS angazi thinga airtime lesa izongena la. Hawa ngathi ayisebenzi. I saw. Yo, ayisebenzi. Sanani. Bengicela ukuprinta hle iform ne. Sanko. Ngizama ukuchecka la nto angikhona ukubona. Singela lapha shop ngiyechecka le perfume. Hi. How much is the cheapest body spray?
See that pink clothes? Yeah,
I am done. Yeah, man, I'm going back home, but she needs to bed to get my parking.
Drop off, mas. So big skatali nkatshwa.
Makalifa lahleke. Package jam, it should be here by now. There's no car. Okay, ngiyaphuma lo tata ngifonelile robot. Ngitshela ukuthi ngiphume. Yo, hayibo. Waze wayifisa imihlolo. Hayi unamanga ufisa imihlolo. I-abomination phela le. Hayi shame le package ngizoyithola nje. package hayi shame lo bhuti ule ejets ngiyofikelwa bani mina le jets yo shame ngithe azi la yo guys ngitholile ipackage yami ibox elikhulu kanjani. Let's unbox and see what's popping. Okay guys, let us unbox.